Hi, in this video we'll talk about best books for trading, and it will be different categories. And first category is best trading books for interviews and biographies. Okay, the first book is Market Wizards, Jack de Schwager. This book contains interviews and successful traders and is one of the most recommended books in the trading business. Some of interviews share how a trader who turned $30,000 into $80 million, the hedge fund manager who averages 30% returns every year of the past 21 years, and the T-bond futures traders who parlayed $25,000 into $2 billion. What exactly I like about this book? The interview contains legendary traders like Paul Tudor Jones, Etsy Kata, Richard Dennis, and etc. What I don't like, there's nothing I can think of. And who is this book for? I highly recommend this book to anyone interested in trading. However, if you're brand new to trading, you may not enjoy this book as it requires a basic understanding of technical terms. Okay, the next book is The New Market Wizards, Jack de Schwager also. This is a follow-up to the earlier Market Wizards book, and it is written in the same format. The only difference is the book focused on American traders, whereas the earlier book has traders from all around the world. Nonetheless, the value it provides is invaluable. What I like about this book? Okay, this book is like. Okay, let's go to another book. Pitbull Lessons from Wall Street's Champion Day Traders. This book is entertaining read. It shares the ups and downs of Martin Schwartz, who started off as a fundamental analyst but couldn't find success with the approach. Then he moved on to technical analysis, where he had his breakthrough marketing $1.8 million in his first 2 years of trading. Eventually, he became a champion trader whose nerves of steel and killer instinct earned him the well-deserved name Pitbull. What I like about this book is entertaining to read, and you will get a few laughs along the way. What I don't like about it, there's nothing I can think of. What is this book for? If you are looking for a good trading story, then the book is for you, as it's easy to read and very entertaining. But if you're looking at specific trading strategies and techniques, then this book isn't for you, because it's more of a biography than a how-to book. Let's talk about another category, best trading books for stocks. If you are a trader who wants to find the next monster stock, then you must check out the stock trading books. First is How to Make Money in Stocks, a Winning System in Good Times and Bad, William J. O'Neill. William J. O'Neill is one of the greatest stock traders of our time, achieving a return of 5,000% over a 25-year period. He uses a trading strategy called the CONSLIM method, which combines both technical and fundamental analysis, which is covered in this book. What I like about this book, a CONSLIM system is relatively easy to understand, even for those with a little fundamental analysis background. What I don't like about it, as you read the book, you will get a soft sell to subscribe to the Investor's Business Daily service. Also, the charts presented are relatively small and hard to see. What is this book for? If you want to learn how to trade stocks using both technical and fundamental analysis, then this book is for you. But if you are not trading stocks, then this book won't help much, since the fundamental aspects of it are different. Next book I recommend to read is Trade Like a Stock Market Wizard: How to Achieve Super Performance in Stock in Any Market. Mark Minervini. Mark Minervini is stock market wizard and a US investing champion. In this book, he reveals his proven time-tested trading system be used to achieve triple digits return for 5 consecutive years, averaging 220% per year and 500% compounded total return. He uses a similar trading approach to the CONSLIM system, which combines both technical and fundamental analysis. What I like about this book, a straightforward approach explaining what he looks for when he is trading stocks. What I don't like about it, there's nothing I can think of, but more trading examples would be nice. Who is this book for? If you want to learn how to trade stocks using both technical and fundamental analysis, then this book is for you. But if you are not trading stocks, then this book won't help much, since the fundamental aspects of it are different. The next book is The Ultimate Guide to Trend Following. I'm obviously biased at science. I wrote this trading guide. Ryan Tao word say. The idea behind it is it explains what trend following is about without leaving you confused by the technical jargon out there. And you have included simple trend following strategy that lets you profit in bull and bear markets. So for today, this was all books I want to tell you about. I recommend to read them and to trade. Have a good day.